Hello Humble Bakers! Day 3 ng ating croissant workshop here sa Davao City. Naalala nyo ba yung binili ko na tart at carrot cake from Tootsie's? Well, dinala ko lang yon for breakfast and to share also sa mga students ko. Ang assistant ko nga pala today ay si Chef Sara from Alliance of Mindanao Bakers. I have 7 students for today and yung iba is from Surigao, Digos, and malayo pang lugar ng Davao City. Nagbiyahe talaga sila to join my workshop. I always start my workshop with a quick introduction and getting to know more about sa mga students ko. Then, I will do an hour to 2 of discussions. Lahat ng details andon, that's why I always tell them na be on time kasi once nag-start na at wala pa sila, mami-miss out nila yung mga important details. Then I will show them step by step ng lamination. And then sila naman ang gagawa ng dough nila. I'm doing a mirroring technique sa class ko ng croissants. Super bilis nga ng karamihan gumawa sa kanila kasi yung iba ay bakers na talaga. And yung iba naman inagawa na ng croissants using dough sheeter. Then nag-lunch lang kami and I like to join them. This is one way of getting to know more about my students also. Sobrang ganda ng mga lamination nila at mabilis silang nakagawa, to be honest. Mas early pa sa target na time. I think ito yung pinaka earliest na students ko na nakagawa ng mga croissants.
Nerus Coffee. Sige daw, sir mga pay.
Ano eh? Shade daw na sa alam.
1.5 per day mo, payag ka. Plus breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Nalay ata yung gamay ko sa
And around 3 p.m. nag-start na kaming mag-bake ng mga Danish pastries and yung mga excess na dough na ginawa nilang twisted. Para daw meron silang pangpapak. While baking the last tray ng pan o syokola, biglang nag-brown out or nag-black out. Buti na lang talaga at almost na-bake na nga lahat. Inabot ng 30 minutes yung blackout at napilitan kaming mag-picture while using the emergency light and yung flashlight ng aming mga phones. Nung almost patapos na nga kaming mag-picture, bigla namang bumalik yung kuryente. Hindi pumayag na pangit yung pictures and yung mga videos siguro namin. Ayun yung sana sa baba? Pasundo nyo ng Digos? Then they got their own balutin mo ako moments. Sobrang saya nilang lahat and I'm happy too cause na-share ko sa kanila yung knowledge ko. After nung workshop, I invited my assistant na mag-dinner kami pero need niya na daw umuwi kasi may work pa siya. That's why mag-isa na lang akong kumain. Dito yan sa may Coco South Bistro. Kilala sila sa mga masasarap na food dito sa Davao City.
Order ng isang solo, yung baby back rice.
Ano rice?
Ano available ng rice?
Plain garlic or java rice?
Garlic rice na. Tapos paada ko ng isang pineapple juice. And then isang... Ano yung seafood of the day?
Mushroom soup po. Meron din kami pumpkin soup, sir.
Mushroom soup?
Yes po.
Sige, isang mushroom soup.
I ordered Coco's baby back ribs with hickory barbecue sauce and cream of mushroom soup. So yung cream of mushroom soup, sobrang sarap niya. Lasang-lasa mo yung butter and yung cream. Perfectly seasoned and for me, gustong-gusto ko yung lasa niya. Then after that, yung tinikman ko na yung ating in-order na baby back ribs. Tumawag nga yung kapatid ko at yung nanay ko. And kailangan ko nang mag-report sa kanila. I always try to call them or video call with them after ng mga demo ko whenever I'm free. Especially kapag out of town ako. And sobrang na-enjoy ko rin yung ating in-order na baby back ribs. It's a little bit tough. Hindi siya ganun ka-tender. I don't know, maybe because 9 p.m. na, almost. And ako na yung last order. Pero sobrang sarap niyan. And sobrang laki ng serving nila. Together with the garlic rice and potatoes, boiled potatoes, and stir-fry vegetable. Tapos meron pa siyang real fried na strips or real fried potato chips. So, sobrang sarap niyan and the serving is big. Good for two. Parang pwede ka nang mag-order ng isang ribs and then additional rice. Pati yung soup, good for two na rin. All in all, I enjoyed the experience. Siguro next time, I will try yung other nilang menu na sinadjust din sa akin. Especially yung fajita. Beef fajita daw masarap and yung pizza nila. And tomorrow guys, yung flight ko back to Manila na. Yun lang, salamat!